a cute picture.
Of course he did.
Where are you gonna put it?
What did you
I'm
do?
finding everything.
I gotta show him just
Cook them up. Make a nice little fried way.
I do also probably need to go wash my hands.
Unless you're coming back later. What happened to that, Amy?
They stole my job, those cute teenagers over there.
They're not watching, taking pictures.
Is this the first time you've used a post digger?
Yeah.
It's kind of cool, isn't it?
It's irritating.
Have you ever used one before?
Nope. They're kind of cool though.
I think you're a pro already. Yeah. Is that a cow or a person? I think it's a person.
Yeah.
Kaluan addicts are meeting.
Ow, that hurt. Okay, calm down.
Just let him eat your pants for a second. Huh. Oh. Oh, a treat.
No?
No.
What? I treat you. I'll treat you.
Give it a go?
He like totally stuck on my fingers.
He's a goofball. You try it?
Oh, perfect. I will see. I think to grab either a shovel or you can pour it. And then as soon as I see
That's a massive piece of equipment.
Audrey said she's gonna be a little bit.
Oh, okay, no worries. Oh, that's great. Maybe, I'm gonna go dump these weeds in that pile over there and let Nico and Franz use this wheelbarrow for compost.
Okay.